Hi guys, I just made a video how to overcome if you want to build a package and it says one or more PGP signatures could not be verified. So we're in dire need of a key. The key from this guy, whoever he is, we don't know the name yet, is not on my system, and ArcoLinux relies on signing of packages. But you can skip it. So we've shown you how to read the make package and have a look at all the switches you have. We looked at Yay, there's also Paru that contains switches, and we have aliases for it. Yay skip and Paru skip, they're all the lists of aliases. Now I wanna actually import this thing, right? So keys, we're talking about keys. Oh, I want to actually copy paste it, but it is Ctrl-Shift-C and not Ctrl-C. To copy from a terminal, it's always the shifting. Ctrl-Shift-C and Ctrl-Shift-V, enter. So this is my key, right? Okay, how do I get keys in? Normally we should do something like this: sudo pacman -key, and then again a long list: add, config, delete, edit key, export key. I want to get it, so key receive keys is a good one, right? Receive keys. Oh, what's this kind of thing? Let's do that again. So okay, then I go down and take this one, receive keys, Ctrl-Shift-V. This used to work magnificently, like magnificently, wow, magnificently. But since July 2021, the key server says server indicated a failure, and there is no recourse. Is there? Let's try and figure it out together. Do we have an alias? And let's see, what do we have? I wanted to make an alias, but did I make an alias? I have not yet made an alias. Because I had this idea, we always need to go to the sudo. Yeah, sudo is good. Nano, etc, pacman d, pgp-conf, gnu-pg, yeah, that's it. And then, where are you? Not seeing you. Ah, gpg.conf, there you are. So we always need to edit this thing. Aha. So this is all good, that's fine. But what it needs is key servers. It needs more lines in there. Which keys? Which port? And that's what I will add also to the ArcoLinux tweak tool, right? We're in full development, writing Python and all that. Probably gonna add it with the fixes. So add a button here to do exactly what I'm gonna do right now. That is, there is a file already on your computer system. File system, user, yes, user, local, share. Here will hold, in this place, user, local, share, ArcoLinux will hold every file that's really important to the system, like the settings of the old SDM, the new SDM, the ArcoLinux mirror list, pacman.conf, and gpg.conf. Here he is, right? So this content contains key servers. Okay, Ctrl-C. So that's what I would like to add here, but I'm not gonna type everything. I'm just gonna go for etc. And basically we're gonna copy paste. If you click on the button there in ATT, that's what we're gonna do. Ctrl-A, delete, Ctrl-V. Oops, no, not delete, but at the end, add, save. That's it. Now hopefully, and that's the problem, right? Hopefully one of the servers will respond. And that's the thing. I hear people telling me, Eric, it works for me. And I say, oh, why isn't it working for me, right? So it's gonna be tricky, nevertheless. Did I close? I did close it. Okay, open it up again. So this thing is going to have a look at the key servers. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but this is not, voila. Remote key not fetched correctly from key servers. Damn it, right? Damn it. Okay, fine. So the question is, which one? I don't quite remember. Is it the first one? Was it the last one? One of the things he's gonna try. He's not gonna try every single one of them, I think. So we do it like this. As long as we get errors, we keep trying. If key servers, boom, whoa, okay, cool. So I'm gonna keep this one, the 80, gonna be active at this point in time. There you go. Adrian Perez de Castro, finally I've got your key in, which means now by default when I try to build this, I won't have any issues with my scripts anymore. So it will tell me to build 3P. Let's see and try it out. So I built 300 packages in one time. The key is in. Now the question is, of course, is the key I built in a Shroot environment? So I need to do exactly the same into my Shroot environment to get the key in there as well. So that's something for me for later to do. Topic of the video was these key servers, right? So keep track on ArcoLinux websites, forums and all that to figure out at this particular moment in time, that's the key server that's working in Belgium, right? So I'm not sure if it's gonna work in worldwide, but it might. Main thing is I've got my key in locally here for sure, but since I'm building a little bit different in a Shroot environment, if you want to look that up, ArcoLinux Shroot, C-H-R-O-O-T. I'll have to do the same there. All right, have fun.